Hi everyone, and welcome to the brilliant little backyard. You might think this is a loofah, but actually it's not. It's Armenian cucumber. They very sweet and crunchy. They grow up to around 30 centimeter. The fruit are amazing, and I grow them high on this mesh, steel mesh. They very productive. They have plenty of fruit. A few of them are ready to harvest, like these ones. And I will show you today what I feed these cucumber to get this type of fruit and to get it healthy and vigorous in the growth. Already prepared the mixture in a 9 liter of water can. And this mixture is the seaweed solution. I have 5 milliliter of seaweed concentrate in each liter of water, and I'm going to water the base of the plant, each plant around 1 liter of water. And this feeding happens once a week. Once a week we feed the cucumber with seaweed solution to get this type of results. I'll feed now the cucumber. As you can see, that's the base of the plant, and I'm going to water slowly. It's important to add this solution very slowly so it doesn't drain away. And now I'm going to harvest a few of these cucumbers. There's many of them. That's still maybe a couple of days to go, like these ones, and the one at the back here. I will harvest them in the next couple of days. But this is such an amazing cucumber, very tasty. I recommend everyone to grow it. So please again, take a minute to subscribe, share and like this video. I really appreciate your support, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye for now.